In the bustling piazza of Pisa, under the gaze of curious onlookers, a transformative chapter in the history of science unfolded. The scene was set against the iconic backdrop of the Leaning Tower, where Galileo Galilei, an unassuming yet brilliant mathematician and philosopher, prepared to defy centuries of accepted wisdom. Aristotle's long-held belief that heavier objects fell faster than lighter ones had gone unquestioned for generations, woven into the fabric of natural philosophy. Galileo, though, driven by a relentless spirit of inquiry, intended to challenge that very notion. The sun cast elongated shadows as Galileo climbed each step of the leaning edifice, two spheres carefully cradled in his hands, one of lead, the other of wood. From below, a crowd gathered, some out of curiosity, others skeptical, murmuring their disbelief at what they were about to witness. It was an experiment both audacious and simple. Two objects, vastly different in weight, released simultaneously from the tower's summit. Galileo steadied himself, looking down briefly before letting go. The spheres plummeted downward, cutting through the air with a certainty that seemed to make even time hold its breath. Astonishment rippled through the gathering crowd as both spheres reached the ground together, their simultaneous impact signaling the end of an era of unquestioned assumptions. The simplicity of the experiment belied its profound implications. Galileo's demonstration was not just a victory over Aristotelian physics, but a decisive step towards the dawning of a new era of empirical science. His findings would lay the groundwork for the laws of motion that would later be elaborated upon by Isaac Newton. The Leaning Tower of Pisa experiment became legendary, not only for its defiance of ancient beliefs, but for symbolizing the power of observation and experimentation. Galileo's bold pursuit of truth, through rational inquiry and empirical evidence, would be immortalized as a cornerstone of the scientific method. This momentous day marked not just a revolution in understanding gravity, but also a triumph for the human spirit's unending quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Galileo's challenge was not merely against Aristotle. It was a timeless testament to questioning and discovery, a beacon lighting the path for future generations of scientists and thinkers.